Hello, Richard here from Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokamuri gas URGI. This one has got upgrade package installed, which is pretty much our level 4. Oh, sorry. Yep, level 4. Yeah. So I mean, I clicked on level 7, but I think I've got a couple of extra duplicates on there. But basically, it's our Nineball type ball barrel, 350 millimeters. Sorry, 250 millimeters. And then we've got the Snipermechanic Flamingo, which we've installed here with the 50 degree. We've also fit the Nineball hop chamber, which is the sort of TDC style top down center one. For obviously better, it's the best hop unit I think on the market. We've also got the M nub from Psionic, which we've exchanged for the British one, just for an easier fit, a better fit for us. And we've also got the Angry Gun enhanced MPA nozzle in there, so which is adjustable, and we've set it to about 260 on 3.2s on our gas that we're testing with. Obviously, if you're using a different gas, you may need to tweak that, and there's a small Allen key which will send with it, but basically you just need to pop the pin at the back here, pull this through, so you just flick this up, pull out the BCG, and then into the end of this. If you want it to go up in power, basically just put this inside there until you get onto the actual screw itself. And then just basically just twist it left if you want to go up, and then just twist it right if you want to go down. And that's pretty much it, really. Adjust it. I'll make an adjustment, pop it back in, put the top back down, pop the pin in, and then yeah, you're ready to go. And then refill. There you go. So all working, and like I say, if you get any problems, let us know. So, but like I say, gas MWS all built up, highest package that we do, range tested. We hope you enjoy. Thank you.